I thought a lot if I should share this or I shouldn't share this. After all, I'm a businessman, I'm in business, and the people who know me usually because of the business as the founder of the J Weld Club, J Weld Book Club. But I was inspired by David Stanton, and that's why I decided to share this. After seeing that David was sharing his attendance at the Siyum Hashas and it's starting Masechtas Brucha, starting with a bandwagon of thousands of Jews, I decided I'm going to share this. Yesterday, while having a conversation with a very close client and friend of mine, I thought to myself, should I open the conversation about this or not? I know this person very close for years already, and Baruch Hashem, I had a direct impact of helping this client achieve amazing results in his business. So I asked him, let me ask you, do you have a shir every day? So he started telling me, yes, I have a shir, and he tells me what he learns every day and this and that. And I saw that, it's one of these kind of shiurim that sometimes you do it and sometimes you don't do it. Depends if you have chavrusa came, depends if you have the time, depends, if you have a clear head or not. So I asked him, can I ask you a question? And I'm asking this because I love you and I want you to succeed. Why don't you jump on the bandwagon with Daf Yomi? 7 years ago, I made the decision to jump on the bandwagon, and I'm so excited now. Chaim Eckstein, a businessman, busy for Parnusa. I'm not the kind of person who would sit and learn a few hours a day, unfortunately. But I finished the entire Shas just because of me jumping on the bandwagon 7.5 years ago with Daf Yomi. And I know many people who did it. So I'm asking you, Mr. Joel is his name, why don't you jump on the bandwagon? There is so many resources today. WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, YouTube, places that you can watch and learn the Daf every single day. 10 minutes, if you want longer, 20, 45 minutes, as long as you want. Why don't you jump on the bandwagon? Join Klal Yisrael. In 7.5 years, I asked him, how old is your oldest child? I believe he told me 11. So can you imagine when your oldest child is 18 and a half, you start marrying off children, you're gonna be a mechoten sitting and being a shasit. You would finish Shas. It is amazing. You would never have done it without this movement of Klal Yisrael now. Why don't you do it? And then I tell him, the only way that you can succeed with this is if you make a commitment every day you're going to learn the daf, and a day that you don't have your mind to it, you don't have the time, you don't have your chavrusa, you don't have the gedil, the patience to listen to it, just say the words of the daf for that day. And that's what Reb Nachman of Breslev explains, and the Gemara Masechta with the Zura says, that sometimes you can learn like this. So if you do it like this, you're going to have the consistency, you're going to have the excitement, you're going to do it and you're going to succeed, and after you're done with 2-3 Masechtas, you're in it, and you can't back out anymore. That's the conversation I had with this person. This person told me, Chaim, he tells me, Chaim, nobody ever had such a conversation with me. I promise you I'm going to do it. We're recording this Friday, Erev Shabbos, after, I think it's the 6th day already. We're holding by Daf Zion. This person, Joel, that I spoke to yesterday, on Shabbos, he's going to catch up the entire week, and on Sunday, he's going to be part with us, and he's going to join the Daf. I'm just telling you that because don't think that because you're a businessman and you have connections with others, you shouldn't talk about issues like this. You can save their life, you can save their marriage, you can save their children, making them a Talmid Chacham, making them a toichendige mensch, an inspiring person, making them somebody that they're going to be proud, their children are going to be proud to have such parents, and it's going to make your life different. If you get inspired of what I said, please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you're doing to inspire somebody else, and I believe by us doing our job, let's say 1,000 people listen to this and they impact one other person. It's another 1,000 people, and all on your credit. If my friend and my client, Joel, is going to finish Shas in 7.5 years, maybe I'm not going to even know about it, but it's going to be my credit forever. And you can create some good credit for yourself as well. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comment section if you were inspired or you were able to inspire somebody else. Have a lechtige Shabbos, and I will be very happy to hear your story.